Waiting now. Waiting.
Where you go?
I go work.
Eh?
Work.
What waiting?
Working now.
You drop money?
Money for...
For food now?
I beg, lower your voice. Neighbor dey.
Which neighbor?
Neighbor.
They know you now.
Say...
They know you be useless man now. No need to hide them again.
See now you dey expose me. I beg you now.
See this man. Since when you drop money last?
I beg, no dey loud am now. Neighbor dey. No...
Answer that question. Since when you drop money last?
I know. No shout.
Make I tell you. Now since last year you don't drop money last.
See, you know what? You know say I love you. When I come back, I will give you money now.
When you want pay?
I go pay.
When you want pay? Tell me now.
I dey go work. I won't go collect money. I will give you.
You dey go work. All we say you dey go every day. We know they even see the work. The money we know they see. You go come back. Tell me say money no day.
Obi, no say I don't do like that. I love you now. I love you. You know.
Which kind of be that one? Which kind of be that one?
I beg. When I come back from work, I will give you.
See, as they go like this now, as they go, if you don't bring money come for this house today, I go show you shege. That's why they give you. You don't go chop them again, no.
No, do that one, no. You know, say I like that thing very well. I dey do am very well, no. You know now.
Since last year, you don't drop money.
No go back there again. No go back there again.
I beg leave me there. I come out like so. If you don't bring me, I go bring. Shameless man.
Excuse me, lady. She your name na Sunita. Not the way you dey roll am. Hey, you got me thinking far. Cause I've been watching you. I say you're a superstar. So many girls don't come. So many girls don't go. Yeah, I like to know you. And I want you to be mine. No time for story. You can have a kiss to my beamer. Oh Lord of mercy. Loving the way that you go down. Where she won't go back. This girl so fine, she won't go back. Go down low, she take it up.
How you doing?
I'm alright.
Yeah, this is what I do. Yeah. What's your name?
Wanya.
Yes, no face. Just the ask.
Don't just change the name.
Are you fine? Don't be fighting now.
And am I fighting with you? I'm not fighting now.
Thank you.
Sorry, Organa Pep, I go drop for fun. How much is my money?
No one has to pay.
Sorry, I'm going to drop in front there.
Take. Our money, both. The change I dash you.
Is it alright for their bag? Thank you.
First market. Diego down. Just Diego. You one of a kind. I got to make you my property. You find you one of a kind. I got to make you my property. I took him now. I got him that. That guy I pay for your mother. Neighbor also. Now here this guy did. Money we have forgive that she all the people by the time I go get my wife. See this useless girl. See, small